Okay, so we are going to start creating our user flow, and we'll be using the text box basically. So yeah, you just click on the text box, you can drag it up, and you type in the first one, which is open app. So um like I shared in the previous video, we will just be creating a user flow for Zara. So this user flow, we want to see how Zara goes from opening the app to sharing, sharing her mood or vibe with her friends. So we've created our first step, which is for open step basically. So next you just click on that and it will take you, it will automatically create a new box like you can see here, and you just type in login. So that's how you keep doing it until you've created the whole thing. So for Zara, she has to first open the app. Then the next thing she has to do is login. Then the next thing she has to do is basically, obviously, the next screen that she'll be seeing would be the home page. The home page is literally the mood feed. You get the home page is literally the mood feed. So we do not, because one of the things I'm trying to ensure is we do not have like we do not have a lot of steps. So we have the mood feed. Then after she has selected, she'll have to select a mood feed. That's how she feels. Then after she selects or rather picks a mood, the next slide or rather the next screen she'll be seeing would be a suggested playlist basically. Yeah, she get to select a playlist. Then after she has picked or rather clicked on a selected playlist, the next thing we want her to do is to share with her friends. So that's the goal that we're actually trying to achieve for this particular user flow. You can see it's as easy and simple as that. Like that's for goal one, simple goal one. We need our user to be able to successfully move from opening the app to achieving a particular goal. And for Zara, that means sharing her playlist, her current mood playlist with her friends, which is the last you can see there. So yeah, there are other things you could actually achieve. Basically, you get like you could create different user flow for the same app. Like obviously, it's not just going to be just share. There are a lot of flows. For example, so the next thing we are going to be doing is creating the text. Um, basically, so I mean, we are creating a flow. We need to be able to like create a text of the kind of what goal we are actually trying to achieve from creating this particular flow. Where's the starting point and where is the ending point. And for us, the goal here is we want Zara to be able to open chill zone and share her vibe with her friends. That's simple. So what will make this a success for us would be that okay, she is able to like share this with her friends. So yeah, um so yeah, just a disclaimer. So I had earlier recorded this with ooh, okay. So another thing again. Remember, I was telling that it's not just a flow. You can create multiple flows. For example, now Zara can let's assume that Zara does not even have an account. She's just coming across this platform for the very first time. From wherever she sees it. Obviously, she doesn't have an account. How does she log in? So the next thing is she will have to create an account. So you can create a flow for creating an account, literally. So if we drag, it's not dragging. Okay, quick disclaimer. So I had earlier recorded this, but I didn't know my mute and my mic was muted. Um, so now instead of recording it and starting all over, I decided to do a quick voice note. That's why you can see that there's a bit of um trying to figure a bunch of things out. Um yeah, we are trying to create another flow. Obviously, when Zara opens the app and she wants to create an account, what does it look like? So here we just like create an account. So when she creates the account, what's next? Apparently, so I would even say this is just like a very simple and basic flow, sincerely, because a very much detailed flow would have something like what each page is, what each page has. So, like for example, create an account. If she clicks on create an account, it take her to a particular page that tells her to create like name and email, phone number, whatever details that we want to collect. Then after she has done that, there's a huge likelihood we want to verify her Gmail, all of those. So those are like if you're going to do it step by step, that's the way it should be. Oh yeah, we just want to do like a really basic user flow so you'll be able to like literally understand what it means. So here, obviously when she has created an account, what's the next thing that should happen? It literally takes her to the same mood feed. So do you understand? So it's the same thing, literally the same thing. You can create multiple user flow from here. So let's assume that we want her to like multiple user flow. The essence of user flow is for you as a designer to be able to like design for you as a designer to have an idea of what you're actually going to be designing next. You know, a couple you just can't jump into a design just like that. You need to be able to figure out, okay, when she clicks on this, what happens next? Is there a way I can actually cut this whole step and make it like really straightforward without her having to like, click a lot of times. So yeah. Um with this, we are being able to successfully create a user flow. I hope you'll be able to create your own user flow, a simple user flow like this. So with FigJam, by the way, FigJam is really interesting. I will implore you to like test out the whole thing here. You can see sticky nodes, a bunch of things really interesting. If you're the type that is a lot that's really artistic, you are actually going to find FigJam really helpful. So yeah, this is just me playing around with the text boxes. Um, so with this, we are practically good. We have been able to successfully create a user flow for Zara, where we expect Zara to um, okay, so that is me wrapping my whole user flow into a section. Yeah, I'm just like that. So into a section. So in case I want to create like a different user flow, it doesn't have to be really confusing. Like anyone can literally see that okay, this is how it is. So yeah, if there's any question, please you can send me a DM and you can just message me. You can just message me on WhatsApp, join our group or whatever. And don't forget to create your own user flow like this. Yeah, that's basically it for today. Thank you and do have an amazing day. Bye.